How to fix apps not installing on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your network is not stable, you won't be able to install apps on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that go to Settings. Select all settings. Now, from here, scroll down below and go to Support. Then, you would have to select on Software Update and make sure that your TV's software version is updated to its latest version. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that go to Device Care. From here, you'll see the option of Manage Storage. Select it. Now, at the top right corner, you can see your used storage on your TV. Now, if you select on a specific application, and then if you press on Delete, you would be able to delete unnecessary applications from your Samsung Smart TV to clear up space and manage storage so that the issue of apps not installing would be fixed. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.